Let's take a look at the integration between Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC and Microsoft SharePoint 2010. We'll start with a brief look around Vault, the foundation of Autodesk's solution for collaboration and data management. You may notice that it now has a new project-centric UI, as well as an integration with Autodesk Civil 3D, Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Buzzsaw, and Autodesk Navisworks software. Now let's take a look at SharePoint, part of Microsoft's enterprise infrastructure for business collaboration and content management. Basically, with SharePoint, users that are not familiar with Vault can still find and access, design, or other files from Vault, right from within SharePoint. We'll be working with the Millennium Project. It's an upscale grocery store. The construction phase has just started. Since the design has been approved, all changes need to be reviewed and recorded. A collision was discovered between the east-facing windows and a structural beam. Using SharePoint, we'll get the visualization file from Vault. At this point, the user may not even know that they are accessing a Vault file. Using Autodesk Design Review, we'll create a markup detailing the issue. We can easily share the markup for review and approval using a SharePoint workflow. As an example, we'll create a change request, linking the actual drawing file from Vault and attaching the markup file. Upon submission of the change request, a task is automatically assigned to the Program Manager. When the Program Manager reviews the task, she'll verify that the necessary details are included, add her comments, and assign the request to the appropriate person. In this case, the architect. The architect reviews the task and the associated redline. He quickly understands the issue and uses Autodesk Revit to modify the design. After the sheet set and project are up to date, they are added to Vault. Last, he sets the SharePoint task approved, and an email is automatically sent to the creator of the request. After receiving the email, the user runs a search in SharePoint. The federated result contains the workflow and markup from SharePoint and the affected Vault file. Selecting the Vault link displays the Vault data form. The user can also browse through the history of the change request, viewing the approval history and comments. The linked Vault file is also available here. Viewing the visualization file, we can see the modified design.